science experiments with you. What are we doing this time?
Well, I don't really know.
You just knew. Does a wet or a dry tongue help your taste buds taste food? Try this and see. So we're gonna use salt, right? No, we're gonna use sugar.
Sugar!
That was loud.
Sorry.
All right, you need a mirror, you need sugar crystals, and you need a paper towel.
Hi, BB-8. That's what you're for.
All right. So as always, Daddy's gonna read the instructions.
Look at your tongue closely with the mirror. Do you see the little bumps on your tongue?
Mm-hmm.
Your taste buds are in some of those bumps. Place a few sugar crystals on the back of your tongue.
All right, put the mirror down just a little bit.
That's really going to be hard.
All right, open wide.
Tilt your head back. Open wider.
Oh, don't swallow yet.
Can you taste the sweetness right away?
Yes.
It will take a second or two for the moisture inside your tongue to spread to the sweetness, or to spread the sweetness to the front of your tongue. This is the location where the more sensitive taste buds are. Alright, stick your tongue out and gently pat it with a paper towel.
She's actually got two sections there. You may need both. I don't remember. It says just gently pat it with paper towel. So your tongue out.
Keep it out. Keep it out.
You can't put it back in your mouth.
If you pull it in, it's going to get wet again.
You got to keep it out. Keep it out. Keep it out. Keep it out.
Alright.
Now.
Now can you taste it?
Really?
No.
Not till it got wet?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Ooh, yum.
Alright. Step 4. Repeat step 3, but do not dry your tongue.
You taste it right away that time?
Mm-hmm.
So, what have you learned?
A dry tongue won't let you taste anything.
The sense of taste comes from the nerves in the tongue. When you eat, the food rolls over taste buds on your tongue. The nerves inside the taste buds send the message of what you are eating to your brain. Your tongue's talking to your brain. Your taste buds detect different tastes: sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. When you eat, you enjoy more than just the taste of food. Nerves in your lips, teeth, and tongue send messages to the brain about how hot or cold your food is, whether it is hard, soft, or whether it is crunchy or smooth.
Well, my food.
So, what two senses work together?
The nerves.
What two senses work together?
The nose and
What does your nose do?
smell.
So smell and...
Taste. Yummy.
Do you remember how odors get to the nose? We learned about that the last video. With the perfume?
Oh yeah.
How did the smell get to your nose? Did we dump it on your nose?
No.
How did it get to your nose?
It gently went to my nose.
But how?
Something carries it to my
Big word that starts with an M.
molecules.
There we go.
Carry it to
What
my
are
tongue.
molecules?
I mean, not my tongue, my nose.
What are molecules?
They're tiny little particles.
In the
Air.
air. Very good. And where are the nerves of smell located? Where are the nerves for smell located?
Ew, my nose.
And then where are the nerves for taste located?
My tongue. Bleh.
Does your tongue have to be wet or dry to taste your food?
Wet.
What do you want to say to everybody?
Thanks for watching. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.